Now, we are making big progress. We went with black in the end. The black corrugated steel has arrived. You can see it there. We are, as I say, me and my young apprentice, Connellina, who is on the run from the police by the look of his hood. Now, look at this bad boy. First 2 sheets up. Very happy with it. It's tricky. Cutting around the windows is very tricky. And that's down to probably the way I designed the windows and the sills and the heads and stuff and the reveals. But you know, that's the way it is. That's what I done. That's what I've done. The silver bits you can see are those. I bought stainless steel screws. I bought 400 screws and little black plastic caps to go on them. And they cost me €200 if you can believe such a thing. But given that they're, like, this is going into Connemara, close enough to the coast, we want the stainless steel fixings. Let me zoom out again. So you can see the lines there, they look like bullet holes. They're actually the screws, and the kind of blue lines are chalk lines I've put in to get the lines of screws straight. But the blue chalk will just wipe off, and the screws will be nice and straight. And then on top of those, you have these little black plastic caps. Let me show you one. Now, those little bad boys there. So I'll show you what they do. And you don't have to, but I'm going to put a little squirt of silicone in there, and then they just go like that. Not quite vanishing, but not far off it. So that's what that is. So anyway, all in all, pretty happy. Starting to get there. That's it for now.